Hello and welcome in a new diamond painting video. Today we are going to continue the snow landscape, winter landscape, how you want to call it, 40 by 50 centimeters, and I'm going to do it fast. Why fast? Because the other 3 paintings from our own brand already came, so I'm so excited to do those 3 that I want to finish this little one fast and continue the other 3 to see how they will be and how the quality is. But we're not going to talk about those 3 today. We just continue the snow landscape. So without anything else, let us grab the stuff. So as you can see, I always try to start with the most colors at the part where I'm painting. And then I make this kind of small borders to fill in the gaps, and then I continue with another color that are at that moment the most. I also try to paint from top to bottom, and sometimes when there are a lot of colors on the bottom the same, I start at the bottom, but most of the time I try to start at the top. What I also try is not to take too much diamonds on my tray. I rather fill my tray 2 or 3 times instead of having a lot of diamonds, and when I shake them then they're all on top of each other and it's not working practical for me, so I rather not to take too much diamonds. Here you could see that I started with the dark ones to split the part in 2, and then I did the top part and then I continue on the bottom part. Here you see I did the same. I split the part in 2, and then I make another border, and then I do the right part and then the left part. And I keep the 7 open for the moment because there are not a lot of 7s. And here you can see I start at the bottom with a large part of the yellow. Then I start at the parts where are not a lot of those same colors, and then I fill in the gaps on the bottom. So yeah, let me know how you paint, if you do the same system as me or just start in the corner and then fill in those numbers or symbols, and then the next one next to it. So yeah, just tell me what is your system. I think it's always nice to see those time lapse creating the painting from nothing. almost done. The last part we're going to start now. This is a part that has all the same color, so I put one diamond and then I skip one, and I put one diamond and I skip one in this pattern like this. It's very easy to paint in straight lines, and you just put the same color of diamonds in between all those empty spaces, and it's so satisfied. And we are done. So here we are again. We are finished with our part that we did actually yesterday. If you see it, I'm wearing gray now, and in the beginning of this video it was a black t-shirt. Why? Yesterday when I finished, maybe you saw it in the time lapse, at one moment there was no lights anymore. That means it's 10 o'clock, and at 10 o'clock all my lights goes off. It's time to sleep normally. I turned on my lights again and I did the last part of the painting, and I was thinking, okay, let me do the rest of the video tomorrow. So here we are, but that doesn't matter because actually it's all in one video. This is what we did. Let me see if I can show it a little bit better. This part here, and actually from a distance it's nice. The only thing that I'm a little bit I'm not worried about, but that I don't like, is that it seems that the size of the squares on the canvas is a little bit bigger than the diamonds itself, so it gives a lot of space in between. So maybe I can show you this better, like this. As you can see, there is a lot of space in between those yellow diamonds. The rest, like here, you don't really see it, but in those yellow spaces, like here also in the rooftop, you see, and it is white, pink, you see a lot of gaps in between. If you zoom out a bit, it will be less, but it's still there. So yeah, that's actually the only thing that I'm a little bit worried about those gaps, but it's not really a problem. For the next painting I'm going to do is the same size, 40 by 50 centimeters, but just comment below which one I should do. I have option of 3 paintings: a pebble painting, that's a round pebble painting with flowers and the sun on it. I have a round painting, round diamonds I mean, and it's the Disney World castle. A little bit far away, but I think it will get nice. And I have exactly the same one as this painting, only the original picture, so no filter on top of it. And what I mean by filter is here, this is yellow, and the sky here, say, is blue. The sky is blue, gray, yeah, blue, as you can see, yeah. And then on the other picture it's black and gray, because actually it's a picture made by night, so it will be the same photo, completely different color palette. So yeah, just comment below which one I should do. First I was thinking to do this one to compare them, and now I was thinking maybe the round one with the Disney castle. Round is going very fast. It will be my 3rd painting that I do in a round. No, 4th, sorry. I did Donald Duck. It was my first painting ever in 2017. Then I did some kind of Chinese landscape for my mother, 1 meter 20 by 50 I think it was. Then I did also for my mother some tulips, just Dutch flowers, tulips, yeah, I think you call them tulips. In Dutch we call them tulpen. And yeah, then the last one, that's the Disney castle. And I also actually want to start very fast on this pebble diamond painting, because I never painted with pebble diamonds, and I'm really excited to see how this end result will be, and if the work is the same as a normal painting and a pebble painting. I think it's the same, but yeah. So yeah, let me know which one I should do. If you want to see more of my videos, just subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, push the subscribe button somewhere there. I never know where it is. I think it's there, or yeah, it's somewhere on this page. Don't forget to push the bell button. It will give you a push notification or just an email notification when I post a new video. You can also go to the description box below to find my URL of my website. Here I also have a lot of information about diamond painting, about my videos here. If you want to have your own custom-made painting, you can contact me by this. You can also contact me here, but it's more easy by my website. And I will help you with the whole process of ordering a painting, making your own layout, what to do, what not to do, lighting of your photo, because if your photo have a lot of dark places, or like this, what you see here, there, shadows, it can be a little bit strange on the picture. If I go back like this, you see my face will be smaller, and on a painting the quality of the face will be less. Here you see a lot of, if I come closer, you see less shadow than if I'm farther away, and that's the same on your diamond painting. So if there is a lot of black spaces, it will be dark on your painting. If I have this dark background and I put this dark thing in front of it, it will be one and the same color. Maybe the color difference will be a little bit more, but this color of his mouth is almost the same color as the couch, and those two colors will be the same color on your diamond painting. In another example, if you have a black pants and in front of you is a black dog, the dog will be completely covered in black, the pants will be completely covered in black, and the dog will be gone. So you have to think about those things, and I will help you with this. What you also can do, if you do a painting and there are some shadows in it, to lighten up the shadows a bit. That is what I do sometimes, and more or less in the face, in the eyes, and the shadows here, you can just clear them 10-15%, and on the picture, if you are close, you will see it, but if you zoom the picture out, it's not really seeable anymore, and on your painting you will not see it at all, because they just use another color, a slightly lighter color, and more or less will be the same color as here and there. So I always had a good experience with this. So again, if you want to know something about this, just comment maybe below or subscribe to my channel, go to my website and ask me some questions there. So for now, I only want to say thank you for watching. Enjoy your own diamond painting. See you real soon in a new video, and thumbs up and take care. Bye.